We spend so much time planning for the things we can see, our careers, our homes, our goals. But very few people stop to plan for what happens after. Having a will isn't about fearing the future, it's about taking control of it. It's about making sure your voice continues to guide your loved ones, even when you can no longer speak for yourself. Because when there's no will, decisions about your property, your belongings, and even your legacy are left in the hands of the state, not the people who know your heart. A will is one of the simplest, yet most powerful ways to bring clarity, care, and peace to your family's future. What exactly is a will, and why is it so important? A will, also known as a last will and testament, is a legal document that clearly states how you want your assets, property, and personal belongings to be distributed after you pass away. But it's more than just paperwork, it represents your voice when you can no longer speak for yourself. Through a will, you can decide who inherits your home, your savings, or even meaningful personal items. You can also name an executor, someone you trust to manage your estate, and appoint guardians for your minor children or dependents. Without a will, these decisions are left to the state, not you. That can lead to long court processes, unexpected outcomes, and unnecessary stress for the people you care about most. Creating a will ensures that your wishes are followed, your loved ones are protected, and your legacy is carried out exactly as you intended. In California, a will becomes legally valid once it's written, signed by you, and witnessed by two adults who are not beneficiaries. Having a professional guide you through this process ensures that your document meets all legal requirements. Preparing a will usually takes about 1 to 2 hours, depending on the complexity of your estate and your instructions. But without legal guidance, minor errors could result in months of legal disputes later, defeating the purpose of having a will in the first place. When someone passes away without a will, their estate goes through a court-supervised process called probate. During probate, a judge decides how assets are distributed, which can take a long time, often 9 to 18 months, and sometimes even longer if disputes arise. While the court determines the distribution, assets may be frozen, bills and taxes still need to be paid, and family members can experience unnecessary emotional and financial stress. Without a will, state law strictly determines who inherits your property, which might not match your personal wishes or priorities. This uncertainty can create conflicts among family members and result in costly legal fees. By preparing a clear and legally valid will, you remove ambiguity, streamline the process, and ensure that your loved ones are taken care of exactly as you intend. It's a way to provide stability, peace of mind, and clarity for your family during a difficult time. A will is more than just a legal formality, it's a statement of love, responsibility, and foresight. It gives you control over your assets, protects your family, and minimizes potential conflicts after your passing. With a will, you can specify exactly who receives your property, who manages your estate, and even how sentimental or personal items are distributed. You can make charitable contributions, leave gifts to friends, or ensure certain traditions and personal values are respected. Having a will also saves your loved ones from navigating lengthy court procedures, reduces financial strain, and prevents disagreements that could harm relationships. It ensures that your legacy is carried out according to your wishes, allowing your family to focus on remembering you, celebrating your life, and honoring your intentions rather than dealing with uncertainty or legal complications. Some people think wills are only for the wealthy or elderly, but that isn't true. If you own anything, a car, savings, a home, you already have an estate that deserves protection. Others believe preparing a will is expensive or complicated, but with professional guidance, it is fast, clear, and affordable. Planning your will is about responsibility, not luxury. The sooner you act, the easier it will be for your family later. Life changes constantly. Marriage, divorce, children, or new property. That's why it's important to review and update your will regularly or after any major life event. Updating ensures your document reflects your current wishes, your relationships, and your financial situation. A will that evolves with you provides consistent protection and peace of mind for your family. The first step is simple. Make a list of your assets, decide who should inherit them, and choose someone you trust to carry out your wishes. Then, work with an attorney who can draft a legally valid will tailored to your situation. This small investment of time, often just 1 to 2 hours, can secure a lifetime of peace for your family. Your future, your family, and your peace of mind deserve protection. Don't leave important decisions to chance. Take control of your legacy today. Protect your loved ones, secure your estate, and contact us now to create your will.